How to fix Messenger video call sound problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix the issue of your video call sound problem. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So the first thing I want you to make sure is that you have a stable network in order to have no sound on your video call, and make sure the next person behind the camera also has a good internet connection, because if you both don't have a good internet connection, there is likely high chance that there is a sound problem due to that. If that is not the problem, you may just reinstall the application or update the application. For that, you just need to go to Play Store. After going to the Play Store, just go to the search bar and search for Messenger and look if there is any update or not. If there is any update available, just tap on update and see if that fixes your issue or not. If that doesn't, the last thing you can do is just go to the app info of that app. After going to the app info, just scroll down until you see storage and tap on clear cache. And the last thing you can do is just restart your device, and I'm sure one of the method is gonna work for your video call sound problem not working. So therefore, by following those methods, you can fix your Messenger video call sound problem. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.